Mau makuha niyo? Sige.
Please realize me. I don't
Love you.
to waste our life will be us. Please release me. I love again. I
have found a new love, dear.
Please release me.
Yan lang.
Please release me. You anymore.
To waste
Waste our lives was be us. Please release me and let love again. Please release me, come your stay. You'll be ako to clear the way. Surely what I would bring us. So release me, I'm waiting. Love again.
Mana?
Kanto na pong kuhan. Dilay ko na, wes.